Hello everyone. In today's Explain Why series, we are going to understand why the cardiac output declines whenever the person is standing from a lying down posture. Suppose if the person is lying down and immediately if he stands, his cardiac output decreases. Let's try to understand the reason behind it. The reason is pretty simple. So whenever the person stands up, what happens is there is venous pulling in the lower limbs. Venous pulling in the lower limbs, what they will do is they will accumulate more and more blood in the lower limbs. So what will happen to the venous return? There is a decrease in venous return. So this decrease in venous return will decrease the central venous pressure. What is this central venous pressure? It is the pressure on the right side of the heart. This central venous pressure is also decreased. So whenever the venous return itself is decreased, what will happen to the end diastolic volume? Obviously, it will also be decreased. This EDV is nothing but our end diastolic volume. So if the end diastolic volume itself is decreased, what will happen to the stroke volume? The stroke volume is also going to get decreased. And if the stroke volume is decreased, what will happen to the cardiac output? All of us know that cardiac output is a factor of stroke volume into heart rate. Now stroke volume itself is reduced, so obviously the cardiac output is also decreased. This is the reason why the cardiac output is decreased whenever the person is standing from a lying down posture. I hope it's clear. Thank you for listening. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.